The Overlook at Seneca Creek is located in a stunning, established new home community on over 30 acres of land in Gaithersburg, Maryland, offering 10 home sites with over an acre of land to build your new dream home. At the Overlook at Seneca Creek, we're offering 8 different floor plans that range from 2,800 square feet to just over 4,100 square feet. When people see Keystone Custom Homes from the outside, they see that it's like a home that they've never seen before, that it's different. We're excited to offer plans that showcase the ability to customize the front in different ways. The model that we're featuring at the Overlook at Seneca Creek is our brand new floor plan with Keystone called the Devonshire Manor. It offers the stone front, and as you transition from the foyer into the 2-story family room, you'll notice the floor-to-ceiling fireplace and the wall of windows that offers you the panoramic view from the family room into the kitchen. The Devonshire showcases the chef's kitchen, which is one of our most popular kitchens that we offer. It has the KitchenAid appliances, double-wall oven, glass cabinet inserts above to wall to ceiling, the extended backsplash, and the 10-foot island. The owner suite of the Devonshire is located on the 2nd floor, and it showcases the Venetian shower with a freestanding bathtub and double vanity. Keystone offers handcrafted homes and the opportunity to build a home that is designed by you and for you. The Overlook at Seneca Creek offers large estate home sites in a private setting for you and your family to build your dream home with Keystone Custom Homes.